In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about basic text formatting in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just looking to get a bit more adept at sprucing up your messages, knowing how to format your text can make communication a breeze. Let's dive right in and explore the tools that allow you to highlight and emphasize your messages effectively. First, let's talk about making your text bold. Bold text is perfect for drawing attention to specific words or phrases. To make your text bold, you simply enclose it in asterisks. For example, you would type asterisk, your text, and then an asterisk again, and voila, your text appears bold. Alternatively, if you're like many users who prefer a more visual approach, you can use the built-in toolbar in the Slack message box. Just highlight your text and click on the B icon. Next up, we have italics, which is great for emphasizing words in a softer way compared to bold. Making your text italicized is equally simple. This time, you'll want to wrap your text in underscores. So, you have an underscore, your text, and another underscore. Again, the toolbar can help here. Just highlight the text you wish to italicize and click on the I icon. Now let's consider strike-through, which can be very handy to show edits or corrections. To use this, place tildes around your text. For instance, tilde, your text, and a ending tilde will strike through your message. The toolbar also includes an option for this. Look for an S icon that's styled like a strike-through, and you're all set. For developers, or when you want to highlight snippets of code, Slack allows you to format your text in a code style, just in case your text in backticks to give it that distinguishable appearance, like your text. If a single line of code isn't enough, you can utilize the toolbar's icon that helps transition your text into a more visually succinct code block. And finally, we have block quotes. Block quotes are perfect when you want to quote someone or pull a particular piece of text to the forefront. To create a block quote, simply start your message with a right angle bracket. Type the greater than symbol, space, and then your text. It'll appear indented and separated from the rest of your conversation for emphasis. Understanding these basics of text formatting not only makes your messages stand out, but also enhances clarity and engagement within your Slack workspace. With practice, these will soon become second nature, allowing you to communicate more effectively and efficiently. So, give these techniques a try and watch how quickly you can elevate your Slack dialogues. Thank you for watching, and happy formatting.